Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it, like you can select its name, you can select start time, end time, and on which days it will repeat. You can also add exceptions to this mode. It could be notifications from status bar, banners, notification badges. You can also add messages to exceptions from anyone, from contacts only, from stare contacts, or from nobody. Same goes to calls. There's also an option ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced, and you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.